Mara 3 mfululizo hasa hatua ya kitaifa ya michezo hii ya shule za upili. Wamesema kwamba liwe liwalo lazima watambe katika hatua ya ukanda wa Nyanza, na mara hii wanasema kwamba watatisha zaidi kiasi cha kufuzu katika hasa pale hatua ya Afrika Mashariki, michezo ambayo itakuwa inaandaliwa kule Tanzania. Tusikize wanajiandaa vipi, wanaboresha wapi, na watakuwa wanatumia ufundi upi kutamba katika michuano ijayo.
My name is Mercy Hope, a student at Oyugi Ogango Girls. I'm so privileged to be a netballer and a member in the team of Oyugi Ogango Girls. And I want to thank the administration, our coaches, our chief principal. She has offered everything that we need to bring us this far. As netballers, we train hard and we win easy. For that is our title, that we train hard in the training, then we win easily to our opponents.
Okay, my name is Cindy Awar. I'm a student at Oyugi Ogango Girls. And in county level, we met sorter, but we sorted them very well. And when we are going to regional, we will deal with those people. And I want to assure our chief principal that we will beat all the teams.
I am Celestina Chieng Obuya. I am a teacher at Oyugi Ogango Girls. We are one of the teams that have claimed the trophy for the last 3 years. It is now home. Behind our success is the commitment, training, and teamwork. To say in a special way that we are very much grateful for our fans. In fact, it is for the first time in history that we see that the netball pitch is being crowded, courtesy of Oyugi Ogango Girls.
I'm Clifton Omondi, coach Oyugi Ogango Girls, and with me here are the coaches that we have in the school and also the technical bench. So on my left, we have Coach Tom. On my right, we have Coach Peter Olo. And on my other side, we have Coach Titus Okelo, senior coach. So as a Oyugi Ogango Girls netball team, we are very much prepared for the year 2026 championship. And as we speak now, the team is headed for the regional championship that will be held in Homa Bay. I want to say that the girls are very much prepared. They are doing a lot of hard work to ensure that the team wins the regional trophy. So it is about the hard work, determination that has seen the team reach this far. And I'm very happy that this year the nationals will be held in Kiambu. And a good number of my girls are very encouraged and happy to go to Nairobi and even past Nairobi to Kiambu, where the nationals shall be held. So this one is a plus to them, and even to add on that, it is a motivation, and that is why they normally put more effort so that they can go beyond Nyanza. And apart from that, it is because of the goodwill of the chief principal that is also the one that is owning this particular team and is putting more effort to ensure that this team...
Haya, ndilo hasa chimbo la talanta ibuka kwa wale chipukizi ambao wanataka kufanya vizuri zaidi katika siku zijazo.